We'll guide you through how to make outline on map in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open a web browser. For example, in this tutorial, I use Google Chrome. To open it, simply double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop. Next, click the search bar, type canva.com, and press enter to visit the website. After the page loads, log in if necessary, and choose the presentation option to get the canvas design size you want for your workspace. This will open a blank presentation canvas where you can begin editing your design. Next, click the Elements menu on the left side of the screen because you can find various design resources there, including maps. You can search for the map you want by typing keywords in the search bar inside the Elements panel. However, in this example, I will use a map that I have already prepared, so I click the Uploads menu instead. Then click Upload Files to add the map from your computer. A file selection window will appear. Select the file named Map of Europe and then click Open to upload it into the Canva workspace. After the upload process is complete, add the map to the canvas by clicking on the uploaded file. Once the map appears on the canvas, adjust the background color so the overall design looks cleaner and more organized. After that, as an example, I will create an outline only for the France region on the map. Make sure the map image is selected first by clicking on it. Then click the Edit option to open the editing tools. Choose the Magic Layers feature to separate each part of the map into different editable areas. When the layers appear, select the region that represents France and then click Edit again. Next, go to the left side panel, choose the Shadows option, and then click Outline to create the outline effect. Adjust the outline size to 75 and also change the color. For example, set it to red so the area stands out clearly. Then set the intensity to 75 and close the panel when you are done. Close the Uploads panel as well. Now you can see the final result, which means making an outline on a map in Canva is successful.